Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw anxiety from inside out too. So let's get started. To draw cute anxiety, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here and start with a big circle. So let's go nice and big. And then I'm going to come right next to it and draw another circle. Right next to it, attached together. There, now my two circles in. I'm going to come inside and draw two more circles. So more towards the center, say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle. Right in the center. And same thing here. And then for these circles, we're going to come in here and draw a highlight right here. So a circle, the top, and then right in the center, we're going to draw another circle and shade this one all in. And so same thing here. Start with this highlight right here in the corner, and then in the center, draw another circle and shade it in. And then the color of Anxiety's eyes are going to be in this area right here. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the top of my circle right here, and I'm going to just thicken up this top. I know it's kind of hard to see right now because I kind of messed up my circle, but we just want the top part of our circle a little bit darker, just to anchor the eyes a little bit more. And the bottoms are a little bit thinner. And then from there, we're going to go around our eyes. So come back to your center. We're just going to come right here. We're just going to give it a thin edge all the way around. We're going to come all the way and bring it to about right there. So same thing here. Go all the way around. And bring it in. There. And then from there, I know it looks weird right now because we haven't colored this part in, but once you color it, it'll look much better. Now that we have this little edge in, we're going to come out and draw the mouth, which is very wide, right? So come back right about here, and we're going to go out and loop around to about right there and bring it in. So same thing here, we're going to loop out, and just like the other side, right here. And then we're just going to connect it with a flatten out curve. So it's a smile filled with anxiety, so it's not a true smile. It's a worried smile, right? Okay, so nice and wide and a little bit flatter. Then from there, we're gonna just follow what you drew. So I'm gonna come right here, just go around, and just follow whatever I drew, the curve. And right about here, we go all the way. Oops. Okay, sorry for my messy lines. It's drawing pretty big, so sometimes and I can't put my head over the drawing, so it's not so easy, right? Okay, so then from there, now that we have that in, bring this up a little bit higher. I'm going to draw the teeth. So to make it a little bit easier and organized, I'm going to find my center, which is about right here, and I'm going to just draw one center tooth first. This definitely needs to go a little bit higher. Okay, so I have a center tooth. Then the bottom, I'm going to draw two underneath it. And then go ahead, now that we have that center set in, we can just go ahead and come right about here and draw one and however many you can fit. And one more. So same thing over here. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2. It's getting a little confused here. Okay, there, got the teeth in. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the brow. So on top of each eye, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve coming down. And then we're going to thicken it up. And same thing over here. So over this eye as well. Curve it out and thicken it up. They are full of anxiety. And then we're going to draw the hair. So let's come right here in the center, draw 2 curves right there, and then we're going to poof it out. But before I poof it out, I'm just going to go back to my center, and I'm just going to say about, let's just say about right here. It's all up to you. I don't have that much space, so I'm not going to make it too high. I'm going to start right here because it's easier for my hand, and I'm going to just draw a bunch of these strands coming out, just like a fountain. So we're going to poof it out. Maybe this one's a little bit longer, and go back and forth, and then maybe this one's a little bit shorter, and bring it in. So same thing over here. So your goal, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but you just want it to be about exactly the same width. That's your goal. You don't want one side really wide and then the other side thin. So about right there, and bring it in. So approximate, right? Something like that. Just a simplified way of drawing the hair. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see here. Let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come back to your center and see about right here. We're going to draw the little neck. We're going to come down with 2 angle lines, and then let's see here. We're going to go connect it with a line, and then come out on this side with a straight line. And then I'm just going to just imagine as if, well, you know what, on this side, instead of straight line, we're going to go at an angle. So that's the difference. Angle, and then this is straight. We're going to skip a little bit of space about right here. And we're going to angle 2 lines down with a small little body. Go all the way down. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect. Then come back right here for a belt. And then let's draw the pants. So we're going to come down. So now that we have that, let's find our center once again, and we're going to go all the way down, straight down. So let's see how far we want to bring our pants. So let's say about right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and come down, poof this part out, and bring it in. So same thing here. Down, poof it out. And then bring it in. And then for some details, come right back here, draw a straight line down, and then at an angle. And then let's see here. Let's make this a little bit flatter. Okay, there. And then let's go straight down again. We're to draw the feet. Go down to about right there. And we're going to come right here, curve, and go out for the boots. And connect. So same thing on this side. Curve all the way out, pop it up, and connect. There. Okay, and then for some details on the boots, if you like, you can just leave it like that, or you can come right here and draw a curve, and then line, and then put a bunch of lines right here. Just a little detail if you want. all the laces. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can need to draw the hands. So I'm going to have this hand on the hip. So we're going to come right about here. We're going to curve it down and touch right there. And let's just continue this. So, oh, I guess we should have just connected this part right here. And then we're going to come down. It's going to be a little bit wider as we come down about right there. And then we're going to connect it for the sleeve. And then for a hand, come right about here. It's going to pop out with a finger and just curve it in. And then on this side, we're going to have the hands going up. So that's why this was angled up. So sorry for the confusion, but I'm just going to try to go all the way up, right underneath the mouth. About right there. It's about the same distance as the other hand. And about right there, same. And go right back to that spot. Then from there, let's come right here. We're going to draw a hand. Then come out. Then draw a thumb. And then 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and bring it in. Bring it in a little bit more. There. And then on the outfit, there's a bunch of stripes. So I'm going to come right about here. And we're going to touch and go across for 1 stripe. And then here we're going to keep going. 1, 2, and 1 more. So notice I'm just going around. And then about here, we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. There. And I'm going to add, where should we add our heart? Oh, and then I think there's a stripe right here as well. Then I'll add a little tiny heart right here. Hopefully you can see it. To make this my Draw So Cute Anxiety from Inside Out 2. I really hope I helped you draw this cute new character fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.